Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two in sunflowers. Come on with me, guys. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today I do have a guest, and it's the Devoted Network with Tasha, better known as the Devoted Housewife. Now her theme today is sunflowers, so help me celebrate this content creator. Make sure and head on over there, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, leave a beautiful comment, guys. Let her know that I sent you, and let's celebrate her. Amen. So I am loving this beautiful and simple centerpiece, showered with sunflowers. So here we have the cloth napkin, checkered in beige. That was a gifted item. Then we have this beautiful napkin ring that came from Kirkland's. Then we have the flatware, and the flatware came from Home Goods. Now let's take a look at the place setting here. This salad plate here came from the Dollar Tree. Actually, both pieces came from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm loving this rustic scene. These chargers here also came from the Dollar Tree. Now we have the placemats. So this woven placemat came from Hobby Lobby along with the one beneath it. And these are absolutely gorgeous as well. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I layered this back right after showing you the glassware. So this wine glass came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glass did come from the Goodwill. Okay, so let's start layering this back. So I think this place setting came out absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the look along with that centerpiece. So the lantern was a thrifted item on clearance from Home Goods. I went ahead and showered it. So we did a DIY, showering it with those sunflowers. Now we have the candles. They came from the Dollar Tree, and we have the candle holders, which was a thrifted item from the Goodwill. This is a very simple and absolutely beautiful centerpiece. So I hope, Tasha, that you really enjoyed what I put together for you. And we're going to get ready to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.